重庆
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes music by Long Xuan Xuan called 心中有愛, which literally means love is in my heart, and it's about a school romance from the first time they held hands, and the couple confronting life's challenges together to cherishing every moment as they grow old. Let's take a listen to this romantic tune, 心中有愛。
相遇在暗夜之中嘅愛，同樣嘅夢最長嘅力量，依然在心中溫暖，愛莫離開。相遇在浪漫之中嘅愛，未來嘅愛最長嘅力量，雙雙對對牽手。幸福之美，秋天的愛來。哦，太上從中心事衝出來，何必在意不了短短一番，是是非非還一種崇拜，因此面對一交代。哦，太上從中心事衝出來，何必在意不了短短一番，是是非非該一種崇拜，是面對一交代。總愛心中有愛，就愛幸福未來。相遇在暗夜之中嘅愛，同樣嘅夢最長嘅力量，依然在心中溫暖，愛莫離開。相遇在浪漫之中嘅愛，未來嘅愛最長嘅力量，雙雙對對牽手，幸福之美。秋天的愛來。
好活潑清新的龍軒軒，用着她鄰家女孩的親和力，唱出心中有愛，心中有愛，來描繪浪漫的校園愛情故事。從初次相遇到攜手同行，然後兩個人一起要面對生活中的挑戰，在愛與成長中珍惜每一刻。哇，非常浪漫但又很寫實的一首心中有愛，心中有愛，由龍軒軒所帶來的作品。My name is Joseph Lin. Thank you for listening to another Hakka song, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.